Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am Yolanda Maria if this is your first time here. So we're going to go ahead and just jump into this video. Today I am going to be reviewing the Makeup by Mario SurrealSkin Liquid Foundation. I have had this product for quite some time. I am late to reviewing it, but I've had this in my possession for a while. Originally, I was not going to review this product, so I don't have the box anymore. The box, I'm going to leave a picture right here so you can see what the box looks like. It's really nice. It's black, very sleek, but I was not going to review this product originally. I purchased the Danessa Myricks Blurring Balm foundation. It was like a powder, and I ended up falling in love with it. I purchased it on the same day I purchased this, and I ended up falling in love with that product. So I completely forgot. I literally for weeks have been using the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Blurring Balm foundation, and I completely forgot that I purchased this as well until I was on TikTok and I came across Alyssa's video, and the way this foundation melted into her skin, it just made me remember that I had it, and I went and grabbed it. So I have now decided that I'm gonna go ahead and do a review right here on YouTube. If you are interested in seeing how my feelings are, my thoughts, and how this looks on me, please keep on watching. Okay, so I have already prepped my skin. I wanted to give this foundation the same chance as I give all of my other foundations, so I do prep my skin with the same thing. I do use the Puff Puff Primer by e.l.f. Cosmetics, as well as the e.l.f. Cosmetics Power Grip Primer. So I've already added both of these to my skin, and now I am going to color correct. I do have a lot of hyperpigmentation around my mouth, so I always color correct with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer as well as their orange color corrector. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Just to read a few claims about this product, it says that the foundation reveals skin's natural luminosity, featuring the moisture grip technology. Now that is trademarked. The foundation hydrates skin for 12 hours and glides on easily for customizable coverage. You can layer it or sheer it out. This foundation comes in 30 different shades. So now that I have color corrected, I am going to go ahead and begin applying the foundation. I did pick this up from Sephora in the shade 230. I'm really hoping that this is my shade. I have watched several YouTube videos and really trying to hone in on what shade was going to be for me. And this is the one I decided to go with. So I really hope it works. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in so we can get started. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and begin here, and I don't know, let me go ahead and get closer here. Let me see. It's not too runny. This is a really good consistency. And I'm going to apply this with my Morphe E63 foundation brush. And I do have a mirror here on the side that I'm going to use. I'm going to do 1/2 first just to see the difference between the two. So I'm a little nervous, but let's go ahead and apply. So I'm really happy that this does not have an odor. I'm not smelling, like, if you guys are familiar with MAC Cosmetics, I really feel like MAC Cosmetics, their liquid foundations, oh my God, it smells like wet paint. Like, it just smells like it's coming right out of a paint can. But this really looks like it's a really good, it looks like it's a really good match. yeah, I'm really liking this. I'm really liking the finish. I am really liking the finish in comparison. This side has no foundation and this side has the foundation. I do feel like it is full coverage. I see a little bit of my hyperpigmentation coming through, but I'm sure this is very buildable. This is only one layer and it's looking really, really good. Because it is storming outside. It's a little dark because it is thundering outside. I had no idea it was supposed to storm today or rain. It's actually storming because it's lightning and thundering too. I would have definitely recorded earlier in the day had I known it was supposed to storm. It was nowhere in the radar that it was supposed to storm today. But even with the darkness outside and the gloominess outside, I really do feel like this is a great match. All right, well, I again think this is a great match. I am going to go ahead and finish my makeup off camera, see how well it pairs with my concealers and bronzers and things like that. But I really am enjoying this so far. So let me go ahead and finish my makeup off camera and I will be right back. Okay, y'all, so I am back. I have completed my makeup look and I have to say, y'all, I am really feeling this look. I am feeling this foundation. I really like it and I definitely encourage you guys to go pick it up. It paired very well with my affordable makeup. So the concealer, the brows, everything, y'all, like the lips, everything is affordable. Everything really is under $10. I use a lot of e.l.f. cosmetics, a lot of NYX, a lot of Maybelline, so everything can be purchased at just your local Target or even beauty supply store. So if you're interested in this full makeup look, definitely let me know. I have no problem recording the full makeup tutorial, but I definitely give this foundation a 10 out of 10 at this moment. I am going out with my husband tonight for dinner, so I will go ahead and leave down in the description box how my skin and how the makeup is feeling in a couple of hours. Probably I'll have this makeup on for about a good 5 hours, so I will leave my feedback down below. If you enjoyed this video, please definitely go ahead and give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Have you tried this foundation and what was your thoughts? So how did you feel about this particular foundation? Because right now it is definitely giving very much skin and I am enjoying this look. So I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.